Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's New Year's Eve 2023. Let's start with last night's dinner. I prepared one of the family favorites, and that is my chili mac, aka taco mac. It's a super simple meal like I showed yesterday, but it is super comfort food. It's fast, it's hot, and it's just yummy. All right. Yesterday also, part of preparation for today and tomorrow, I put together the spinach dip. I'm using the Duke's mayo. It's a little sweeter. It's got a little bit more tang than Best Foods. I like it. I got a thumbs up across the room from Robin. She likes it too because she tasted it this morning because we'll be using it in today's preparations. So today, I'm going to be preparing. Actually, I take that back. Robin and I are preparing roasted red pepper hummus, Vernors meatballs, and hot artichoke dip. Wow. Tongue twister. Here's some of the goodies that we're going to be pairing with these wonderful items. We got some sliced bread, we got some yummy meats and cheeses, and pita chips and crackers of 3 different types, and so forth. So, let me show you what I got going on. We got hardware. We get to play with hardware. Okay, for the hot artichoke dip with pepperoncinis, we have green onions, parsley, Duke's mayo, Parmesan cheese, artichoke hearts, and the pepperoncinis. Some of the constants between two, if not all three, are the garlic, the kosher salt, and the fresh ground black pepper. Vernors meatballs. I can only stress this enough and enough. Heinz tomato ketchup and Vernors ginger ale. Those are the 2 must-haves. Do not change it. Don't alter it. These are a must. I use frozen meatballs. I'm going to saute up a sliced red onion. I'm actually going to use some fresh ginger. I'm going to be adding some Mexican basil, Mexican oregano, whole thyme, and rosemary. And for the hummus, a little bit of olive oil, red bell pepper. I'm going to add some of the chopped roasted red peppers. Of course, garbanzo beans, tahini. My God, folks, what happened to the price of tahini? It's through the roof. Lemon juice, and I'm going to be using Mexican paprika, which I've actually purchased yesterday. So, what are your food plans for the day? Are you staying up to midnight? I probably won't make it. I'm old. Yeah. So, have a great day and evening. Eat great food and have fun cooking.